Hey there, crafty friends. It's Kerri Adamczyk of Kerri Crafts It and author of Cricut For Dummies. No one likes plain store-bought candles. Let's turn them into personal masterpieces. I'm about to show you how to create stunning custom candles using your Cricut machine and the magical print and cut feature. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, grab your ruler and measure that candle jar. We're heading into Cricut Design Space to create a rectangle that matches those exact dimensions. Pro tip, click that lock icon to unlock it so you can adjust the width and height separately. Now comes the fun part. Add your text, photos, or patterns to make it uniquely yours. Once your design looks perfect, hit that flatten tool to finalize everything. The flatten tool automatically changes your operation type to print and cut, as you can see over here in the layers panel. This is where the magic happens. Time to print. Click Make It, select your material size to match your printable vinyl, and keep that mirror setting turned off. Load your printable vinyl into your printer and hit Send to Printer. For best results, choose Premium Presentation Paper Matte as your paper type and set the quality to Best. Now for the cutting action. Place that printed vinyl on your light grip mat, load it into your Cricut, set the material to printable vinyl, and press go. Watch your machine work its magic. Here's where it gets satisfying. Application time. If you're replacing an old label, peel it off first. For stubborn ones, a little Goo Gone works wonders. Clean that jar with rubbing alcohol, peel your beautiful new label from its backing, position it perfectly, and smooth it down with your scraper. And just like that, you've transformed an ordinary candle into something extraordinary. Want to master even more print and cut projects? Learn more in Cricut For Dummies, your ultimate guide to creating without limitations.